The great thing about cars for me is, I love form. I love architecture and I love car design. They're my two favourite disciplines of design. And the personalities of the people that created them is always very interesting to me. I've also been privileged to drive a huge array of things, being able to sit back and know a car's history of its creation, something about its evolution, and then to know how it actually feels to drive it. That's what makes my hair stand on end the most.
You know a lot about the designers and all that sort of stuff, but I want to know how it was engineered, why it was engineered that way, what made that type of engineering better than the previous one, or how it changed. That's why I love Porsche. It's a brand that constantly evolved, and it constantly evolved through racing and the development on the engineering side of things. Conversely
though, that's what makes a lot of other marques as interesting, because a lot of companies like Lancia, Maserati, they barely exist today in the forms that they used to. And then you get the result of which was specific cars. You scratch your head as to why they did certain things, and the reality was it was either economics or the ability to pick up on something from another company like Citroën. So you finish up with a car like the Merak, and it's a beautiful historical kind of packet of circumstance, all packaged up in something you can use. It's fascinating stuff.
I restore cars for a living. I have been restoring cars for about 20 years. I'm a coach builder by trade.
That's a very unique set of skills for somebody in 2020. Coach building as a discipline nearly vanished in the 1950s when car companies started building cars from tip to tail and top to bottom themselves. The advent of what we know as a monocoque or a unibody took away the art and the trade from coach builders nearly 70 years ago. David and I are very, very passionate about pre-war motoring. You couldn't be a car driver in the early part of last century unless you fully understood the car. You had to have a dozen different checks and balances all sorted before you left.
Righto, we'll fit it up and just see how it fits. Oh, Jesus. When you're a motorist, you take on board everything that's great about the car. You really know the history of the car, you know the design of the car, you know the mechanical aspects of the car.
You can be a driver nowadays, but to be a motorist, you have to understand everything about the thing that you're operating. We have very different personalities, but we both have the ability, strangely, to spend prolonged periods of time together in a confined space.
And not kill each other. Benny has a real romantic way of looking at stuff. I just want to know if it works. You know, like that's my thing. Yeah, romance, practicality, real world, dream world.
Yeah, that's it. What's life if you can't dream?